So this is the drum screener, and focusing on the cleaning components of the drum screener, we the top image is the entire assembly as it's put together, and below that is a sectional view, and you can see the cone. That's the first part of product exposure or product contact, you would say. Below that is decelerator or butterfly valve, and you can control the flow a little bit. You can, if you have a plug, you'll be able to close that. And under that is a silicone, FDA approved silicone sleeve, and it's a compensator. It moves back and forth as the screener vibrates and allows some flexibility. So that is cleanable. It's held within tri-clamps, tri-clamp fittings, but the tri-clamp fittings don't have to be cleaned. They're not exposed to the product. It's all kind of encased in the silicone. Below that is the cover of the screener, and then the body of the screener itself. You can see it's conical, and it flows out a 12-inch outlet, and then the silicone sleeve below that, and the same sleeve that was up top, and then the same cone below that. Okay, this is the pack out station. On the very top image, this is an adapter transition. It comes out of the VLB at 12 inches, next down to 6 inches, and then through a rotary dosing valve, which is a cleaning component as well. The sectional views on top, and we have some more cutaway views below that. You see this is a BFM sleeve. It's very similar to the other sleeve we were showing you. This one's got a taper to it. And that is also a FDA silicone cleanable. It's all of this is designed around cleaning. The top part's encased. Below that's the rotary dosing valve, and that all tri-clamps together. It comes out easily, and you can pull it apart with no tools and clean all the components in there. And in the image below that, there's also a chute. After it goes through the rotary dosing valve, it goes down into a chute, and then is discharged into drums. Now all these components are tri-clamped together. You can just pull them all off. You have one of our cleaning trees. You just put them all in the cleaning tree, clean on the tree, and bring it into the cleaning room. Okay. So this is the drum lift itself. The first view is a sectional view, and you will see the spigot is on the top. That's where the material leaves. That's product contact. All the product contact is 316 stainless steel, sanitary finish, or silicone. Now we go down through that. There's a butterfly valve underneath that, and then the cone of the drum lift. Now this drum cradle you see right here, it's pretty much the exact same thing as the screener cradles. So it's very similar for cleaning application. Okay, and then you have some detailed views below that. Okay, and this is the cleaning tree. You can see that we pull components on it. You can fasten components to the tree so they don't move around as you move the tree down the hallway. And there are hooks that you can clip tri-clamps onto, and for cleaning out, the water will drip off. You hang them off the side, and you can dry on these too. You can store several trees. We can get up to 4 trays on one tree. And then this is the chute adapter. This goes on the blender, and the chute adapter will the drum lift charges through this. So the drum lift raises the drum up, inverts it, and this is up in the air a bit on the outlet of the blender, and this allows the drum lift to discharge into the blender. So the section view on the top, you can see on the top there's a dust cap, and that's what the neck of the blender goes through, and then below the dust cap, that's 316 stainless steel chute that will direct the material flow into the vessel. Okay, and the dust cap is silicone, and it pops right off, very easy to clean. Alright, next, and there's a closer view of the chute adapter. That's a tri-clamp fitting on the bottom. No, that's a core valve fitting on the bottom. Sorry, 12-inch core valve fitting, and to mate with a core valve fitting existing on the bottom of that's on the blender right now. And it uses the core clamps, which you guys should have plenty of. Okay, there's a regular view of it. Okay, there's the component view showing the dust cap and the chute. Okay, there's a close-up view of the drum lift and the drum cradle. Okay, there's a non-section view. There's a side view. Okay, there's the detail view of the components, the spigot up top, butterfly below that, drum cone below that. Okay, there's the cleaning tree image. And here is a photograph of a cleaning tree. This is actually your cleaning tree on the, I'm sorry, the cleaning lift on the right and another customer's cleaning tree on the left. And there is the adapter. So this is to go from the blender outlet to the pack out station. And there's a cutaway view of the rotary dosing valve. You can see the vanes in there. And as I said before, all those components are easy to change out. Okay, there's another view of it, non-sectioned. And this whole thing comes off of the pack out station using tri-clamps. Okay, sectional view, BFM sleeve, BFM adapter, rotary dosing valve, and ferrule adapter. So those are all the components that the product flows through for the dosing assembly. There's a sectional view of it. There's again the clamp on the top. That's a Cora clamp, BFM fitting below that, clear sleeve, BFM fitting below that, the rotary dosing valve, and then the bag liner adapter. Okay, and there's a non-section view of that. Okay, there's the stack of it, BFM adapter on the top, BFM sleeve, rotary dosing valve, and the drum liner adapter. Okay, and there's a more broad diagram of the entire thing showing the scale and the assembly itself, control panel on the left. Okay, this is the screener, complete view. There's the sectional view. Okay, there's the breakout of it. Now, we had seen this in the entire component configuration. So through the drum cone, through the powder decelerator or butterfly valve, screener cover through the screener, and screener body, the compensator sleeve, and through the drum cone. Okay, there's another view of it. And that's all the components that need to be cleaned with the new VLB material handling system.